Okay, so I just had something moving. I just had something moving, and my dog's out here, but he's sitting right here in front of me, as he normally does. And yeah, right next to the camera is actually the haunted mirror. So if you all just picked up on that banging sound, that's something just randomly moving. But anyway, back to the story. Lynn describes seeing this girl a couple more times over the next couple weeks. And Lynn says that the only reason why she was able to see this girl is because the little girl actually let her. That's how skilled this little girl was moving through the wilderness. Now, Lynn says that she left her several different offerings. She said that she left her candy and apples, and at some points a flower. When Lynn would return to her camp, then come back to the area where she was, she would notice that the items that she had left were missing. Lynn said that she was never able to see her people, but she knew that the little girl was not out there alone. She described the girl as unhealthily thin with long brown matted hair.